Republic of the Philippines, Negros Oriental State University, College of Criminal Justice Education, Department of Criminology, Gihongan City, Negros Oriental, 6214, Philippines. Vision, mission, goals, and corporate values of Negros Oriental State University. Vision, a globally recognized state university. Mission, Negros Oriental State University delivers global excellence through advanced instructions, impactful research, and sustainable extension, with strategic partnership and modern infrastructures, shaping effective leaders to serve the Philippine society and the world. Strategic goals. Negros Oriental State University will achieve global recognition by program excellence, strengthen research through impactful innovation, promote enhanced community extension services, integrate partnership in international relations, revitalize infrastructure operational system, enrich students' life and leadership opportunities. Core values, SHINE, which stands for S, spirituality, H, honesty, I, innovation, N, nurturance, E, excellence. Quality policy. Negros Oriental State University commits to delivering quality instructions, research, extension, and production. We ensure compliance with all statutory and regulatory requirements and continuously work to improve our management system to meet our quality objectives. Criminology Education Vision, Mission, and Objectives. Vision. The College of Criminal Justice Education is actively and continually involved in turning out graduates who will lead the nation in addressing the vital problems of crime control and in meeting the demand for global competitiveness. Mission. The College of Criminal Justice Education program committed itself in providing the community with professionally competent and morally upright graduates who can deliver efficient and effective service in the field of criminology. Objectives. In pursuance to the above stated mission, the Department of Criminology integrates and sequences courses of studies which are well planned. These courses of studies utilize didactic instructions, discussions, demonstrations, laboratory practice, simulation, individual learning, and on-the-job training. The following are the specific objectives of the department. First, it seeks to provide vast opportunities and instruction and guided experience whereby the students learn the basic knowledge and acquire the skills essential to the practice of criminology. Second, it provides the students with a broad cultural background and an understanding of constitutional guarantees and due process requirements of law insofar as they affect the total administration of justice. Third, it fosters higher concept of citizenry, accountability, and leadership, and understanding of one's moral and legal responsibilities to his fellow men, his community, and his country. Fourth, it inspires and instills in the students the value of service to humanity. Fifth, it encourages research and inquiry in the field of criminology and criminal justice. Criminology as a special course. A criminologist is any person who is a graduate with a degree of criminology who has passed the examination for criminologist and is registered by such of the Board of Examiner of the Professional Regulation Commission pursuant to Republic Act 6506, Section 23, define the term criminologist as one who has been engaged in the practice of criminology if he holds himself out of the public in any capacities as a professor, instructor, or teacher in criminology in any university, college, or school duly recognized by the government. Pursuant also to Republic Act 6506, Section 24, all certified criminologists shall be exempted from any entrance or qualifying government examination and shall be considered civil service eligible for the following positions. A. Fingerprint technician. B. Firearm examiner. C. Question document examiner. D. Correctional officer. E. Probation officer. F. Crime laboratory technician. G. Law enforcement photographer. H. Lie detection examiner. I. Agent in any law enforcement agency. J. Security officers. K. Criminal investigator. Under the Civil Service Commission Resolution number 98/30/22, criminologist eligibility would apply for appointment from the PNC or rank of PO1 up to the Police Commission Officer or PCO with the rank of Police Superintendent. Republic Act 6975, Section 33 provides that licensed criminologists may be appointed to the initial rank of police inspector if there are vacancies. 11 general orders. First, to take charge of this post and all company's property in view and protect or preserve the name with utmost diligence. Second, to walk during tour of duty in military manner, keeping always on the alert and observing everything that takes place within sight or hearing. Third, to report all violation of orders I am instructed to enforce. Fourth, to report all calls from more distant from the guardhouse where I am stationed. Fifth, to quit my post only when properly relieved. Sixth, to receive, obey, and pass out to the relieving guard all orders from the company officers or officials, superiors, post in charge, or shift leaders. Seventh, to talk to no one except in the line of duty. Eighth, to sound or call the alarm in case of fire or disorder. Ninth, to call the superior officer in any case not covered by instruction. 10. To salute all company officials, superior in the agency, ranking public officials and commission officers of the AFP and the officers of the PNP. 11. To be especially watchful at night and during the time of to challenge all persons on or near my post, and to allow no one to pass or loiter without proper authority, and to eat my meal before rendering my duty. The Law Enforcement Code of Ethics. Being entrusted with the duties of law enforcement, my fundamental duty is to serve mankind, to safeguard lives and properties, to protect the innocent against deception, the peaceful against violence or disorder, and to respect the constitutional rights of all men to liberty, equality, and justice. I will keep my private life unsullied as an example to all. Maintain courageous calm in the face of danger, scorn, or ridicule. Develop self-restraint and be constantly mindful in the welfare of others. Honest in thought or deed in both my personal and official life. I will be exemplary in obeying the laws of the Republic of the Philippines. Whatever I see or hear of a confidential in nature will be kept ever secret unless revelation is necessary in the performance of my sworn duty. I will never act officiously or permit personal feelings, prejudices, animosities, or friendship to influence my decision. with no compromise for crime and with relentless persecutions of criminals. I will enforce the law courteously and appropriately without fear or favor, malice or ill will, never accepting gratuities in return. I will recognize the badge of my office as a symbol of public faith and accept it as a public trust. I shall wear it with fidelity and integrity, for it is mine to possess, while only while I fulfill the solemn obligation. Police Officer's Creed. I believe in God, the Supreme Being, the great provider and creator of all men and everything dear to me. In return, I can do no less than love Him above all, seek His guidance in the performance of my solemn duties, and honor Him at all times. I believe that respect for authority is a duty. I respect and uphold the constitutions, the laws of the land, and the applicable rules and regulations. I recognize the legitimacy and the authority of leadership and follow and obey legal orders of my superior officers. I believe in selfless love and service to people. Towards this end, I commit myself to the service of my fellow men over and above my personal convenience. I believe in the sanctity of marriage and the respect for women. I shall set the example of decency and morality and shall have high regard for family life and chastity. I believe in the responsible dominion and stewardship over material things. I shall inhibit myself from ostentatious display of my property. I shall protect the environment and conserve nature to maintain ecological balance. I shall respect private and public properties and prevent others from destroying it. I believe in the wisdom of truthfulness and must be trustworthy and shall speak the truth at all times as required by my profession. Ten Commandments of God. First, I am the Lord your God. You shall have no other gods before me. Second, thou shalt not use the name of the Lord in vain. Third, remember to keep the holy Sabbath day or Lord's day. Fourth, honor your father and mother. Fifth, thou shalt not kill. Sixth, thou shalt not commit adultery. Seventh, thou shalt not steal. Eighth, thou shalt not bear false witness against your neighbor. 9. Thou shalt not covet your neighbor's wife. 10. Thou shalt not covet your neighbor's good. The Lord's Prayer. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to test, but deliver us from evil. Vision Mission of the Philippine National Police or PNP. Mission. The PNP shall enforce the law, prevent and control crimes, maintain peace and order, and ensure public safety and internal security with active support of the community. Vision. Imploring the aid of Almighty by 2030, we shall be a highly capable, effective, and credible police service working in partnership with a responsive community towards the attainment of a safer place to live, work, and do business. Vision Mission of the Bureau of Fire Protection. Mission to prevent destructive fires, investigate its causes, provide emergencies and rescue services, and enforce others fire related with active involvement of the community. Vision a modern fire protection agency working towards progressive society. Vision Mission of Bureau of Jail Management and Penology or BGMP. Mission to provide humane safekeeping and developmental opportunities for persons deprived of liberty or PDL, and the promotion of public safety. Vision by 2040, a world-class agency highly capable of providing humane safekeeping and developmental opportunities for persons deprived of liberty or PDL. Core values or core competences. Core competence, makatao. Respect for humanity. May integridad with integrity. Matatag, resiliency. Core competence, continuous skills enhancements of personnel. Ability to establish linkages and partnership. Responsive planning. Timely decision making. Expedient implementations. Laws, Republic Act, Presidential Decree, Batas Pambansa. Presidential Decree number 1185, Fire Code of the Philippines. Presidential Decree number 704, revising and consolidating all laws and decrees affecting fishing and fisheries. Presidential Decree number 532, Anti-Piracy and Anti-Highway Robbery Law of 1974. Presidential Decree number 533, Anti-Cattle Rustling Law of 1974. Presidential Decree number 449, Cockfighting Law of 1974. Presidential Decree number 968, Probation Law of 1974, 76. Presidential Decree of